Setup updates number 17. This is my $108 custom keyboard. And in the keyboard industry, that's considered budget. But I figured I might as well show you guys it. The body's a GK61, and the switches are Gateron Black inks. And some other ones are in there. There's a Radiant Red and some Speed Silvers. Shout out to Umchigo Parker and my boy Mustafa for that. And the keycaps are some purple Tang Dynasty keycaps I found on Amazon. Overall, this is my dream keyboard build, aesthetically at least. And that was another setup update.